Anong niluto mo, Miche? Kumain ka na? Pasensya guys, hindi ako makapinaw. Kasi, nasa labas na naman kami. Kanina, nasa bahay. Hi, Agnitas. Miss K. What time is it, Miss K? I cannot see it on my phone. Because I am landscape. Guys, Miss K's premiere is coming up. So, get ready with your extra gadget if you do. You can go ahead because she is so she can give you your blue jacket. MD, I am greeting. Okay, no, Miss K, no, go. 6:44. Okay, thank you, Miss K. Thank you, Jeff. Zimilda, salamat. Mike is ordering some food. He gonna have. Before they have a lot of ducks and geese here. But just like what Mike said, they only come here on spring. So they're gone for the season. It's a nice place, guys. Sarap mag ano dito. Mag-date-date ba? In 15 minutes, Miss K is going. Oh, nice. I need to go here. I haven't been closer to here. Huh? Kinsa man to? Miss K, I have hard time to start my live again. Ay. What happens is MB. Oh my God, there is a big boots here. I did not come here closer before. Oh my God, mapusing sa ako guys. Because this can make me another highlight for the place. So magpasunsyo sa ako ha. I can make it a highlight. So I have remembrance for this place. The tree is taller than me. Five, three, two. Tight, look. Guys, tight ini guys. Hay alay. 5, 3, 2. Makadaog mo ugma. You can win 3 numbers. 5, 3, 2. Okay? Ari na po po. Tada! Please. Thank you very much. 532 ha, don't forget to tukuan. Bibili kayo ng numero. 9 million in my house. Thank you very much. Let's get closer to the booths. We've been here before, but I never get closer to here. I was amazed by the ducks. Oh, diba guys? Ganda lang ng ano? Ano? Highlights, pang highlights ito. Ang laki naman ng buwak. O, diba? Ato na ning ikuan kay pang highlight siya 5 minutes kaya ang highlights.